Hey guys, this is William, and I'm really excited to announce the general availability of Grid AI today, and I'm going to show you very quickly an overview of what you can do with Grid AI. First, I'm going to show you Grid Run, which lets you execute any code on the cloud without changing your code at all. So I'm going to be using the PyTorch examples repo for this. First, I'm going to clone the repo, and then I'm going to navigate to the dcgan folder where I can see a file called main.py. I'm going to run it locally first, just to make sure there are no bugs. Now that I know it works, I'm going to run it on the cloud using Grid. First, this model can actually run on 2 GPUs, so I'm going to add those arguments. Next, I'm going to go ahead and change the word Python to grid run, which is the run command for Grid, and I'm going to run this on 4 V100s with 2 GPUs, and I'm also going to use spot instances because I want to save money on this. I'm actually not going to run just a single model, but instead I'm interested in sweeping over the learning rate of this model. So I'm going to use syntax that's special to Grid, and I'm going to sample from a uniform distribution, and I'm going to pick 4 learning rates from that. So now Grid is going to automatically spin up 4 experiments here. Since I'm spinning up 4 experiments, each on 2 GPUs, that's 8 GPUs in total. Grid will automatically scale up and use 2 nodes and then put each model on 2 GPUs per node. Now press enter and it will submit the run. Grid will now spin up all the infrastructure for you and put everything you need to be able to run those models. You can use Grid status to check the status of the jobs.